Hello, welcome back to our channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. If you're new here, please consider subscribing. Right now I do mainly beauty related things, but I do plan on adding my home renovations if all my, well not all, but if the majority of my subscribers want to see that on here. I know many of you have already said you do, so I was just wanting to add different things because I do think, you know, we're all more than just beauty and makeup, so y'all are my friends, so I just wanted to share different things. And today I'm going to do the lip first. I got this Laura Geller 50 Kisses Lip Locking Liquid. It's really pretty. I was actually looking online and thinking, I really hope if I get this is the color I get. And let's see, my color says Makeout Merlot. Do y'all ever hate though trying to read that little bitty writing? So I'm going to try this. And I think the Thrive Cosmetics in the color Devon, I think would look really, I think those look really good together, so I was going to put those together. And I'm going to put these in different videos like I usually do, because I know some people have said they really prefer it that way than having to look through a video for one particular thing they're looking for. So I'm going to do this one first. I have my mirror here. I'm really not scatterbrained. I just put my ring light and I bought some things to attach my camera to it, and I'm still just trying to get it all adjusted. And I was going to ask you all, let's see, which one of these you like on here? Which one do you think is the best on my ring light? I've got this, it's 3 settings, so there's that. And then there's the really bright. And that one, to me, looks like it's a yellow tone. And then there's the one I started with. And then, of course, you can make it not as bright. So what do you all think on that end? What do you think looks the best with my skin? Let's see, which one did I start with? Was it that one? Okay, let me know which one you think looks the best. And I'm going to put this on. I've got my mirror right here. I tried to line it up where you could see more, but it's kind of hard to, I know some people do and just guess at it, but I don't want to go through a video with makeup everywhere because I couldn't see good. I will try to hurry. Please remember to click the thumbs up button for me. If you haven't seen the video where I did my first impression on this is the color, I say Devon, and that is just the lip liner. I really do like the Thrive lip liners. Now this one came in my $12 Ipsy bag, but I think these are like $21 a piece, which is very expensive, but as smooth as it glides on, and I really think it's probably worth it. And I don't really pay that kind of money for these type of things. I did try their eyeliner once, and I think I got a bad one because I've read really good reviews on their eyeliners, but I did not like mine. I really like their mascara and really love their lip liner. So I'm thinking I must have just got a bad eyeliner, because if it's as smooth as that, mine wasn't. I just don't see how that, I mean, this is, I mean, you see how smooth it is, but the eyeliner I tried was not smooth at all. That's much darker than it looked. It looks much darker than, to me. Yeah, it looks a lot darker. Oops, I smeared it. Where's my tissue? There. So there is, I don't really, it's very dry. I'm not saying dry is a bad thing. I mean dry as in it dries down really matte. I kind of like things with a little bit more of a gloss. That is, you see it pretty much no, yeah, it pretty much nothing comes off once it dries. That's why I have a little bit of red over here, because it dries down really fast. I think it would be good with some kind of, do I got any gloss over here? I was going to try this Clarins. I might go ahead and try it. Velvet Lip Protector. Let's try this over that and see what I get. See, it has the tube, I don't know if you could see, like the velvet tube where it comes out, squeezes out the top. Let me turn this down just, oops. There, can you, there, I think that one's better. You can see better. See, that one's one that comes out the top. Okay, that's pretty close to the same color, but that dries down pretty matte too. I thought that would be more of a gloss, so let me show you. I think I showed before, but I'm just going to show you just in case you're curious. That is a really pretty color. Let's try, here's my Morphe in the color Pop. Yeah, that dries down pretty matte too, look. Yeah, that's not going anywhere really either. I'm trying to adjust. Tell me what y'all think when you're looking, because I'm trying to adjust it where I know you can see it. See there? It didn't go, I mean, it smeared out a little bit, but it's not coming off without some soap and water. There. Put just a tiny bit of gloss over it, because I mean, it is really dries down. For those that like that, ones that dry down to a really good matte, this is really good. And again, that was the color Makeout Merlot, the Laura Geller 50 Kisses Lip Locking Liquid Color. So there is that, and I'm going to be posting, trying to get several videos done tonight. I spent all day. This is Friday. I'm not sure what day this will go out because I know I've got at least 2 boxes I need to go out first. But I wanted to go ahead and show you some of the new things that's came in boxes that I haven't got to show you. And I have been very busy getting Levi's stuff. Next week is the end of their, well, this is actually the end of their 9 weeks. The report cards come out next week. So I have spent this week trying to make sure he had everything covered so that he got good on his report card. And we've also been doing, I know I've mentioned before, he has special needs, and this week was time to start redoing all of his IEP things and all that. So it's been a long week, and I apologize for rambling. I know many of y'all have told me you really like hearing about things, and I know personally I've watched and supported a lot of smaller channels over the years, and I like hearing stories about their life and things that's going on. And I like, you know, if something's going on, they need prayer or whatever, I like when I just, you know, I like to hear more about a person than their unboxings. And I know many of y'all had said you do too, so if it bothers you, let me know. But I will be right back with another video. I love you guys. I will see you soon. Bye bye.